Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. Let's get started. We're going to start with our rhyme. Here we go. Hip caught. Next one. Found round. Sheep make. In pin. You got it. The last one is well bell. Great job. All right, I'm going to say two words that start with the same sound, then you're going to repeat. Girl, golf, g. Boy, bass, b. Lost land, l. Her heart, h. Fence, fur, f. Nice job. All right, now you need your choppers. Here we go. We're going to chop our word in two pieces, then say it all at once. Here we go. Go, Your turn. Low. No. Bow. Row. Nice. Okay, now it's time for our roller coaster. Remember, you're going to watch me, and then it's your turn. Our first word is hat. At. Middle sound. Pen. Middle sound. Did. Id. Middle sound. Mop. Op. Middle sound. Ah. Hum. Middle sound. All right, you got it. Next one, you need your choppers again. We are doing the whole word first and then chopping it into two pieces. Repeat after me. Do. D-oo. Boo. B-oo. Two. T-oo. Zoo. Z-oo. You. Ya-oo. Nice job. Next one was we are adding a part to our words, so we're going to start with the end of a word and add the beginning. Here we go. I add my. O add toe. Ooh add do. E add me. A add say. Good job. Now we're going to delete pieces from a word. So you're going to hold a word in your hands. We're going to take away a part of that word. All right. Our word is me. Without what's left is E. Lay. Without what's left is A. 2. Without t, what's left is oo. Pie. Without p, what's left is I. So. Without s, what's left is O. Great job. All right, the last one is our new one, everybody. We practiced this yesterday. You're going to have your two hands together like this, and we're going to be switching out the beginning of our word. All right, so our word is day. Change the d to m. May. May. Change the to p. Pay. Pay. Change the p to w. Way. Way. Change the w to s. Say. Nice job. Good job practicing today, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.